and near mile marker 144. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 101 and 113. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms, mainly this evening. Lows around 70. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour, diminishing to around 5 miles an hour. Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northern Fairfield County, southern Richland County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bexley. Another severe thunderstorm was located near Buckeye Lake. These storms were moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Gahanna, Tickerington, Bexley, Granville, Pawtascowa, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Millersport, Hanover, Harbor Hills, Grandville South, and Martin. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 99 and 142 and near mile marker 144. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 101 and 113.